Okay, let's proceed to number 2. A man walks 5 kilometers north, then 12 kilometers east. How far is he from the starting point? So review lang natin yung directions natin. This is facing you. So we have the north, south, and then west and east. Let's say this is the starting point of the man. He walks 5 kilometers north, that is upwards, and this is the ending point. And this one is 5 kilometers. From this new point, he walks 12 kilometers east. That is the longer one. So let's say this one. And this is the ending point. That is 12 kilometers. Okay? The question is, how far is he from the starting point? Remember that when we are looking for the distance, it means the direct distance from the starting point A to the endpoint B. Now, one concept we can apply here is the Pythagorean theorem. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. What are C, A, and B? These are the sides of the right triangle. So for the Pythagorean theorem, we are always dealing with right triangles. So C is always the longest side, or what we call the hypotenuse. This one is the C. A and B can be interchanged. These are the two sides of the right triangle. So we have, let's say this is A and this is B. So A is 12, B is 5. And we are looking for the value of C. Let's solve it. C squared equals A squared is 5 squared. B squared is 12 squared. 5 squared is 5 times 5. We have 25. 12 squared is 144. So this one is 169. That is the C squared. What number when you square is 169? The square root, which is 13. Direct distance from point A to point B is 30. Now let's have another concept here. Let's say mahilig kayo sa coordinate geometry. So we can use that one by using the distance formula. We have the square root of the difference in x coordinates. So let's say x sub 2 minus x sub 1 plus the difference of y coordinates. Let's say that the starting point is 0, 0, or the origin. So the x here is the distance of the x-axis from the origin. That is equivalent to 12. The y coordinate is 5. Therefore, the two coordinates that we have now are 0, 0, and 12, 5. If we have this distance formula, we just get the difference of the two x values, that's 12 and 0. 12 minus 0 or 0 minus 12, it doesn't matter kasi when we square them or when we square their difference, magiging positive din naman. So, let's say 12 minus 0. So, ang importante lang, hindi ma-interchange yung x and y. And the y coordinates are 5 and 0. So, 5 minus 0. We have 12 squared plus 5 squared. 12 squared is 144. 5 squared is 25. Square root of 144 plus 25 is 169. So, we get the same